Hi guys, I have a very special coffee with me right now. It's from Araku, their Micro Climate series. It's a 100% Arabica. I think it's a medium roast. If you see on the sides, it's written Grand Reserve. Yeah, it's a medium roast coffee, and the tasting notes are very interesting: olives, honey, green grapes, and dried berry. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this coffee for you guys out. So I'll be brewing using the regular AeroPress technique, and I also have a Timor C2 chestnut grinder. The settings is 14 for this, and I already have the beans inside it waiting to grind. And for the AeroPress, I'll be using two filter papers, and yeah, we don't have to rinse it. It doesn't have any effect in the final cup. And the water temperature is around 94. So 1 is to 15 ratio, 15 grams of coffee to 225 grams of water. Araku Grand Reserve, let's do it. So here I am grinding my coffee with my Timor C2. The setting is 14 and it takes around 10 to 15 seconds. So here is a coffee with the grind size little coarser than espresso. And here is my gooseneck kettle that I purchased from Amazon. It has a thermometer inside, and right now the water is set at 94 degrees, and this is best suited for this medium roast coffee. So here we have our coffee powder. It's slightly coarser than espresso settings, and we'll put this inside the AeroPress. And the entire brewing process, it'll be divided into two steps. The first step is the blooming process, where we'll degas the coffee and let all the CO2 out. And the second phase is the actual brewing, and we'll try to complete everything under 2 minutes. And I think I have some technical difficulties with the scale, so I'll switch it off, switch it on. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. So, oh, I have to switch it off. Now it's on or off. I don't know if it's on. Okay, so the weight is set at 0, and let's begin the bloom phase. So see, I have put around 60 grams of water slow in the chamber, in the AeroPress chamber, and let the coffee bloom. And you can see there are small bubbles that has come out. So this is all the CO2 that is trapped inside. I don't want this going into my cup. This will make it bitter. So we'll wait for some time. And the second phase is the entire bloom phase. So after 60 grams, the remaining water we'll put inside it, and the total water will be 1 to 15. Like I said, it will be around 220 grams. So gently, slowly, I'll put the entire water in the chamber, and I can already smell a good aroma of the coffee, and I just can't wait to drink ASAP. Now, like you see, it's done. The coffee and the water, it's all mixed together. Now it's inside the AeroPress, and I'll just put it side because I don't want to, press it and break my scale. So the next process is I'm going to keep this for 30 seconds. So yeah, it's almost done. So before pressing, I'll just swirl a little so that the ground stays settled, and I'm gonna press it real slow. So I'll be doing this under 30 seconds. So if I press it real slow, so I won't be extracting the bitter compounds in my coffee, and I'll be getting a lot of sweetness and clarity with a very syrupy finished body. So let's see if I'll be able to, do it. There you go. Also, once we are done brewing this coffee, so we are not drinking this ASAP. So I'll keep this for around 20 seconds to cool it down. The ideal temperature to drink a coffee so that we get all the notes is around 60 degrees. So uh, around 15 to 20 seconds of waiting time. And after that, if we drink it, so perhaps we'll be getting all the notes mentioned in the label. Cheers. Okay, guys, let us try this coffee. Oh, it's not bitter at all. Completely zero bitterness. And I'm getting those fruity notes, olives and grapes with a hint of milk chocolate. And since it's a medium roast, the body is a little heavy, not light like water. So I'm getting a silky or buttery finish in my coffee, which is nice. So it shows the extraction is good for the medium roast. So I recommend you guys to try this out and let me know. Araku Microclimate Medium Roast. Thanks. Bye.